Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and today on Dakshin Curry we are going to be making a very popular dish from the region of Karnataka, and that is Bisi Bele Bath. Once you're done with the powder stage, it's a breeze, very easy to make. So let's learn how to make this nice wholesome khichdi. So I already have a pan here. I'm going to add very little oil, and to this I'm going to add cloves, around 7 to 8 cumin seeds and a little bit of cinnamon. Now we'll just start roasting this. Now one by one I'll add the rest of the ingredients, some pepper and some poppy seeds. And you can see that the poppy seed is starting to change color. So we'll add some coconut. And now we are going to roast this till the coconut starts to turn a little brown. Now you can see that the coconut pieces are just starting to dry and just change color. I think I'm going to remove it at this stage. So let's shift it to a bowl. Now in the same pan what I'm going to do is I'm going to roast the dals and the chilies together. In goes some chana dal along with some urad dal. And now we are going to brown this. And now our dals are nicely browned. I'm going to add this. So in goes some dhania seeds. So we'll also add chilies, 7 to 8 dry red chilies. And now we are going to mix this together. And our coriander seeds have browned nicely, and we'll add this mixture also. And now I'm going to cool this completely and grind it into a coarse powder. So my spices have cooled down. I've already ground them to a powder, and this is how it looks like. And I have coarsely ground it, so it's nice and crumbly. So I have around 1 cup of rice, which I have taken short grain rice, 3/4 cup of toor dal, a little bit of turmeric and salt, and I have added it in the pressure cooker along with water, enough water, and cooked it for 4 whistles till it's nice and mushy. And I have done this beforehand to save time. I have a pan here already on flame. First I'm going to add the vegetables and cook them. So in goes some French beans, along with that some carrots, some potatoes, water, and some tamarind which I have already soaked and kept in water. I'm going to add seasoning now, that's salt. Mix this up. We'll cover and cook this till it's parboiled. So this has been boiling away for say 2 to 3 minutes, and at this stage I'm going to add the powder. I'm going to mix this up nicely and add a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook this on a low flame for say 5 to 7 minutes. Now at this stage, when the vegetables are almost cooked, I'm going to add green peas. A little bit of jaggery can be added, and now I'm going to add the rice. As you can see, the rice is mashed nicely. So I'm going to add all of this, and now mix this well. This is smelling so good, nice and aromatic, and I'm going to transfer this now. And we'll cover and cook this on a very low flame till we prepare our tempering. I have another pan here, and in this I'm going to add oil. Some mustard seeds. Along with that I'm going to add some dry red chili. I'm also going to add some curry leaves, and along with that we'll add some shallots. Now along with it I'm going to add some hing powder and some tomatoes. And now I'm going to saute this on a low to medium flame till the tomatoes turn nice and soft, and add this. And now we are going to cook this on a low flame for say 5 minutes, and then our Bisibele Bath will be ready to serve. So our 1 pot meal is ready. All we need to do is garnish it. Now I'm adding some bundi. I know it's an elaborate recipe, but definitely worth it. If you have enjoyed this video as much as I have making it, then I think you can do this much for me. Like, share and subscribe to India Food Network.